both got wet now.
We got one more.
Stop taking pictures!
We got one more.
One more. Alright guys, oh I am bleeding, look at that.
Oh Jesus, you got something to put on
No,
there?
poo, I'll stick it right back in my glove.
You bleeding?
Oh yeah!
Oh Jesus.
Comes with the, what do they call it?
The territory?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Alright, where's that flashlight? Let's try it again.
Oh my God, they're so thin,
I know.
Michelle. Oh my God.
That's why I had to come back. They're beautiful too.
Oh, they've been here for so long without food. Now you see why we do what we do, Vince.
I know.
Oh, it's alright, little
Vince is starting to
mama.
get the water down.
It's alright, baby.
Alright, your turn.
Oh, look like a killer.
What do we got? Anything back in there still?
I think you over here.
Keep ripping.
I don't see nothing up in here.
Whoa!
I got you. You all right?
Oh, God.
Alright. That worked.
Thank you.
I had to grab her. I just seen her walk.
Hey, you could have grabbed anything you wanted to get. That would have been bad, man. You could grab my butt, anything, Oh, Jesus. Holy crap.
Oh, well, so much for that bucket. Let me go find something else to do.
That was from the dollar store?
Wait a minute. I ain't put my fat ass on that.
Alright, I'm only 100 pounds. So I can
Oh, wait, shine a light.
You see him?
Sam?
I thought I saw something go that way.
Which way?
This way, to the right. This way.
You know what? Maybe to this wall here.
That's when I saw it go like here and I didn't see it anymore, so I don't know if it went further or if it went down.
Just take all this whole wall out.
This whole wall?
Yeah, pull it out. Come on, you can get these lessons out.
Oh, by the way, I brought a lamp if anybody wants to use one to break that out with. I went to the back room to get it.
Do you see anything else? Oh my God, I'm so wet. Can I pass it right now? You're how tall this. Look over here. You're going to see the beam.
There's none over here.
Nothing.
Nah, there's the beam. And the beam. There's no hole in the beam.
Have it in here. Go in there. See if you see anything. I got shit in my nail.
Oh, I know. I got it in my eyes and my
Here,
hair.
the door's opening up.
I'm going to say up in here, behind that, or
Oh, what was that? Jesus.
what do we got in here? Anything? There's a vest here. If we can break this out, maybe see if they're
Maybe
there.
he's hiding behind that metal thing.
In
that was
between,
right, there,
or
yeah.
on top of it, because they were on top of it, going over it. Whatever metal dump is there on top of it. And you did see two orange ones?
Right, we see one down here and one was up
You
there.
went over there, and only one road got that far. So I think, like, I don't know where you went after that stuff.
It's got to be in between. Came back this way.
Wait, I think I see him. I think he's hiding behind that.
Huh?
I saw a white.
That's the one.
Wait, push that little brown flap up real quick.
This?
Yeah, push up. See, I can't tell if you went behind.
No, go ahead. I'll be behind and looking.
You can pull it out more. There. Go all the way down if you can. There he is.
There it is.
He's right on the other side, right where that door is, like right
The
above.
gray one.
See the big one. I'm gonna keep pulling, alright?
Go ahead, keep on pulling, then he won't have nowhere to go. Then
He's right on top of it.
pull those friggin' doors off. Pull that door off.
I got you.
Yeah, He-Man!
He's sitting up on top of that pipe.
Right on top of this.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
If you get the plunger, you can probably like
You can pull it out.
poke
It's not
him.
gonna get you, Ben. Pull it out.
Watch your eye.
I'm out of here.
You can't let it get you.
Yeah. First time was now on this one right on the center of my head.
He's sitting right on top of
my
it.
underwear. Okay.
Something's right back there, but I don't know what. It's for the jacket, I'm not sure.
Alright, ready?
Wait.
Now, wait.
No.
No.
He needs something to get up on because my fat ass can't get up on something. He's right there. Watch up it. Come here, baby.
Want me to push him towards that way?
Well, no.
I don't see nothing to get
I
up.
could tap him towards the opening.
Are you tall enough?
Yeah, because he's not gonna go that way.
I don't know if we're tall enough to reach him to grab him. That's the only problem.
She could actually pull him out from up there. And is there any? How far does this beam go?
Hold on, I got an idea.
There might be even more up above this beam. You would have to pull this out.
He's not moving either. He's just like, I'm
Let me
content.
think, what do I got in my hand to stand on?
Oh, and there's something wrong with his eye.
Oh, shit.
He can't even open it.
Poor thing.
Oh, man. That ain't even right.
It's all right, baby.
Should I run to the man and see if
He
I can
might
find
be
something
hurt.
else to stand on?
He looks weak.
There's nothing in.
Oh,
yeah,
I'm sure there
there's
is.
a can. Get the can.
Oh, good thinking.
Let me get away.
Hold the light up. Yeah, don't back up in it against
Why
you.
not?
Can you grab them? Are you okay with grabbing them?
No.
Big.
Huh?
Okay, go for it. You want them together?
Come on, Bubba.
He's backing up.
Where's he backing up to? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Come on, Mama.
You got his tail.
Come on, Mama.
Aww.
Come on, Mama. It's okay. Come on, baby.
You can tell.
Here's coming down. Come on, buddy. Come on, dear.
Oh, we got him.
Oh, he's good. Good.
Yeah, they all are.
Come on, buddy. Wait, they're not easy.
I got the back legs. Got them? I got cage to trap ready, so just watch me don't get bit. I don't think he's got much play in him. Okay.
It's okay, buddy.
Excellent.
Gotta make sure there's no more up at that thing.
Any what?
No more up at that thing. On the other side.
You said there's
Hi,
two other
babies.
ones, right?
Yeah, I seen 2 creams.
So there was 2 braids that we didn't know about.
Yeah.
So there may be another cream or
How wet are you, babe? It's all clean toilet water. Don't you sweat it. We're all gonna get what the hell is it?
I've been in the creek.
well, thank you to the foreclosure people for covers for the cracks.
Nice.
If you're in here, I figured I'd use them.
Yay. Who's never in the stove,
They weren't
right?
going to use them.
They weren't going to use it.
We're never in the stove, right?
No, I checked that. And I checked the cabinet real good. Yeah, I told you it's not a drawer, it's one of them. I was going to use it to stand on. That didn't work either. But that's not to say that there
You have to pull this out.
There could be more hiding behind that pole.
Stand up on the cans and get them and see if there's any more.
Wait, pull this out?
Yeah, take it all out. You want the lamp?
I'm good.
Use the can.
Watch your eyes, babe.
Oh, it gets easier where it gets wetter.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope they didn't go that way.
See, I don't think they could get through that way.
Yeah, that's why
Because the beam was there.
It's a beam.
Oh, all right.
They gotta be somewhere.
On that side or on top of that?
Yeah, put your hand up in there. I can't reach all the way up there. Stand on the can. Once you get this piece out.
Yeah.
That's closed on this side.
Yeah.
That's the vent going up.
Nikki, go in there and see if you see anything up in there.
Oh, I need a light.
That's not no good. Right back. Give me 1 second.
Put your hand up in there, babe. Let me hold the flashlight and you put your hand up in there. Go back and forth and see if you see anything.
Yeah, he's right here.
Right there? Awesome.
I think he's right here.
Do we have enough carriers?
Yeah, wait a minute. I need another carrier or a truck?
Michelle, if you give me your keys, I can get it from the car.
You gotta lock my door and be careful going out there. It's dark.
Are you going?